Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting in Google Drive. Sign in and navigate to Drive. Google.com. Once there, click New, choose Google Sheets to create a workbook. Name the file clearly and move it to the correct folder so permissions and organization are set from the start. Make sure to enable offline if you need access without internet. You'll now have a blank spreadsheet to work with. This first move ensures your sheet is saved to Drive, not just locally, so collaboration and version history are available. Now you'll structure the sheet for clarity. Enter concise headers, select row 1 and freeze it so your labels stay visible. If you have an existing Excel or CSV, use File, Import, choose Upload, and pick the correct import option to replace or append data. Once imported, fix formats, set date, currency, or percentage formats, and resize columns for readability. Use data validation and conditional formatting to prevent errors and highlight issues. These steps make the sheet reliable for analysis and sharing. Finish by sharing the sheet. Click Share, enter collaborators, and choose Editor, Commenter, or Viewer roles so everyone has correct access. Then add necessary formulas and consider app script or add-ons for automation. Set triggers for scheduled tasks if needed. Once done, review version history and protect ranges to prevent accidental edits. If something goes wrong, troubleshooting tip: check offline mode and internet connection, resync the file, and use version history to restore a working copy quickly to avoid data loss.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.